you how to install the hanger to the hanging bag. So first of all, find the hole. Then look at this side first. So tightly slide down, slide all of it, so like this. Okay, it should be tight, otherwise the hanger out very easy. So slide to hold of it, then the other side. Okay, then pull this way all the way up. See, like this. Okay, it should be tight, otherwise it comes out when you put the heavy clothes in here, and hanger should be tight like this, otherwise it comes out. That's why it should be tight. Okay, show to you one more time. Okay, find the hole, put this side first, open side. All the way. Okay. Then the other way. Pull this side. See, like if the hole big enough, then it come out easy. So make it tight. One more time. This side, must be this side first. Push to all over it. Okay. Now you can see it. Thank you.